With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in an aging person, there is increase in mucopolysaccharide, cement of consecutive tissue, gradual alteration in components of connective tissue, increasing collagen rigidity of connective tissue, or both B and C. So, when aging is going on, muscle begin to shift, right, and loses mass. The number and size of muscle also decrease. Water content of cell decrease. It make the tissue much stiffer and less able to tolerate stress. So gradual alteration in component of connective tissue, increasing collagen rigidity of connective tissue also taken place. So from the given option D, that is both option B as well as C, that is gradual alteration in component of connective tissue and increasing collagen rigidity of connective tissue are correct for the given question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.